All right, let's take this thing for a spin. Now, if you're wondering what the engine is, it's a 2.7 liter diesel. And if you know anything about these 2.7 liter diesels from Nissan, this is actually a really legendary drivetrain, just known for its reliability. Really stout little engine. Still getting used to the gearbox myself, so don't mind my driving skills right now. Smooth little engine. Drives really nice. Take it on the highway on-ramp, see how it does. Not gonna be the fastest thing in the world, but it really gets up there. Oh yeah. It feels so stable because it's so large. Oh yeah. Nice. Get in the top gear. Beautiful. Look at that. Very smooth on the highway. Sweet. Take it easy here a little bit. Going from a Subaru to this thing, it feels very different. Not in a bad way though, just takes some getting used to. Yeah, this thing will cruise all day. So for anybody concerned thinking that the 2.7 liter diesel isn't enough power, it's more than adequate, trust me. Feels quite good. Anything like that, and if you are, you better be slowing down a little bit. But in everyday traffic, gearbox is easy to understand. Oh yeah. It's actually pretty fun. It's got a lot of low-end grunt that helps a lot. These diesel engines, they always got the low-end torque. day for a cruise. Unfortunately, we won't be at any camping grounds today, but I think that's where this car or this van would really do some justice. We'll just keep cruising here. You have to get used to riding high because the axles are basically right above you. It is a camper van at the end of the day. The steering is responsive. Brakes feel really solid. This is a really good test for it. I'm going downhill. Yeah, they feel really good. It's much less intimidating than I thought it was going to be, especially when being surrounded by traffic. That was one of my concerns with just driving something as large as this. But I feel pretty good. You get a lot of looks from people too, just wondering what this thing is. I'm impressed at how it accelerates. Seriously. Once you get going, it's kind of zippy. You definitely just have to keep it up in the revs. Like, don't feel bad if it sounds like you're revving out the engine. That's where it's like happiest. I think it'd be nice to take this out on like some packed sand or like some dirt. I would just be really curious to see how it drives. Cyclist. Okay. Do the old left lane change just to show you guys that there's tons of visibility. I can see everything on my left side without having to turn my head. Take care.